everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today for you, I am going to be swatching two newer released polishes from Butterlondon. They recently did a collaboration with Caboodles and released a really cute little Caboodles case. That's perfect for storing nail polish in and taking nail polish on a go with you. And they released two shades that match the case as well. So we're swatching them. The first shade is called Sandy Bum, and it is like this super light pastel milky pink shade that you guys are seeing now. Formula wise, it definitely feels milky in the sense it's kind of transparent on that first coat, and even in the second coat it was still applying nicely, but it just feels kind of milky. I don't know how else to explain it, kind of crelly like, I guess. And so I actually found that it needed 3 coats, and even at the third coat, I wasn't 100% sold on the shade. It just, even though it's pretty, I didn't feel like the formula was quite up to par. Definitely for Butterlondon, usually their polishes are really good and consistent, and Good Vibes, for instance. This is a really kind of nice, I would almost describe it as a dusty pistachio green. It's a really neat shade, and this one covered really nicely in 2 coats, and I really like how this one looked. So here's a look at both of the shades that we just swatched. Overall, I would say this was a 50-50 hit miss sort of thing, because I love the name of Sandy Bum. I think it's funny, it's cute, it makes me giggle, and formula wise, it just wasn't quite there. I feel like it's a really good shade if you like a good transparent pink. Maybe you want it transparent in a 1 or 2, or you want to use it in a French manicure sort of style. That would be good for that. And then of course the last one, Good Vibes, I really liked. So that is officially it. They did release the Caboodles collaboration on their website, so you can actually head over to the Butterlondon website and see what the case looks like. It's super cute, and I will leave a link in the description box down below if you guys do want to check it out. And I think that's officially it. So thank you so much to Butterlondon for sending this over. They're really fun shades, and I love this little collaboration. I just think it's so cute, because I actually used to go over to a friend's house and do their nails often, and I used a Caboodle case to carry all my supplies in. So I think that's just really fun and a great collaboration. So that is officially it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye!